hot. The water's really, really up, y'all. I couldn't believe to see it was almost at the bottoms of the dock. A couple folks out there walking, fishing actually. Like to see the senior citizens. There's the Matthew. And this water's really shallow. All the seaweed blew in. All this is never covered in water, and that's 3 or 4 foot deep. So if the water came about 3 or 4 foot deep over here at Joe's Bayou, I can just imagine how deep it was on the Gulf side, y'all. They say we just got a little bit of the wind. You can hear the video, guys. I know it's hard because the wind, I'm trying to turn into the wind so that way you can hear it. God bless. See you soon. I think I'm going to try to run my sailboat here. Only problem is no electric, no water, and no light unless you're part of this club, which you've got to have a blue slip for. And I ain't about to buy no boat dock just to park my boat, even though it's beautiful. Hey, I didn't see this sailboat. Let's walk out here a little bit. I got this little sailboat up there. I know you can't hear the little water's up over the rocks. There's never water here. The water's usually out there a little bit deeper than it is out here. I don't know why, other than a hurricane, you know, and it's supposed to be past us now. But it's brought the seas in. They really got angry for a few days, y'all. I really couldn't believe it. Took shelter in the tent. Pretty sure you saw the video.